CIS210 Week 1, walking through my code. Uh, it was asked that I load uh, this file into a list, and I load this file into this variable using the method open. Then I created a new variable called data list, and in there I stored all the files that was open from this file using this method, and I'm also using this method called readlines. And I create a new empty list, and then I loop through the memory location data list that has all these files. And in there, I assigned, um, I pop every value out of this list, and I store in another variable called current list. And after that, I go back into my empty list and I append all those values from this list on the empty list, which now is not empty anymore. So then I loop through for each value in this list that we just filled it up, and then I print the values. There is the output. Move on to the array. Um, Again, I use open to open this file, and after it's open, I assign it to a new memory location, a new variable called my file, and then I assign my file. After that, my file is read and stripped because I needed to take the new lines that was printing before I use it, and then after that everything goes to this variable data. Then I create a new variable called new data. It's actually a list because Python doesn't have built-in array. So uh, I would recommend it for my readings to just use the list. It works just like an array. So then I loop through each value in the data that just got stripped and read through from this file, and then after that I store all that in the empty list, and then I print it out. There we have it. So the dictionaries, I create a new empty dictionary called new list, and then I loop through um, this file called names.txt because I could not get it to work with this file uh, to print and key value pair. So I created uh, a new file, and then in here I created key value pairs, name and occupation, and after that is created, it's assigned to this variable file, and then for each value in file, I'm splitting it in name, and then I'm assigning to each the splits into uh, two values, key and value, and then in new list, I'm uh, I'm passing the value key, and I'm passing the value, and then I print the list. And then we have it, the output and key value pairs. And for the all files, I improvised. I parsed. We opened every single file, and I created a new location for each all of them, and then all of them are being read with this method read lines and concatenated, and all stored in one variable called data list. I create a new empty list, and then I loop through the variable that holds all these values, and then again I pop each value from there, and I assign to this variable current list, and then after that I append all these values in the empty list. After that, I'm going to loop through each value on this new list and print the value. And then we got this rather messy output, uh, which I plan to try to figure a way to make it look better. From for this week, that's all. Thank you.